welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can delete your Thread account. Now to do that, first thing is you open the Thread application on your phone device, and then you need to get logged in into the account of yours. Now that you are logged in into the account, you need to tap on profile on the bottom right. Tap that. In the profile section, you need to go and tap on the two horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen on your phone. You tap that two horizontal lines, which will give you to the setting. In the settings section, you need to go to the accounts. Tap on account. Now in the account page, you will find this option deactivate profile in the second. You tap that option of deactivate. Are you sure you want to deactivate your Thread profile? Thread account is a temporary process. Your profile, thread, replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate by logging in. So if you are sure that you want to deactivate your account, you tap on deactivate Thread profile. Are you sure you want to deactivate? Tap on deactivate. This will deactivate your Thread account right away and you will no longer have a profile on Thread. On the contrary, your Instagram account will not be affected once you deactivate your Thread account. As Instagram and Thread is a two different platform, your Instagram account will still be functional. Your Thread account cannot be permanently deleted as long as you have your Instagram account. So once you're logged in into the Thread, the only option that you have left for you to delete your Thread account is to delete it temporarily, or to deactivate is temporarily. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.